Hi everybody, this is Eman Khurram and I hope you all are doing great and enjoying my videos. So let's start our today's math class. We are doing Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition book 1 D1. Right now we are on exercise 1A and this is question number 7. In this question they are saying find all the prime numbers in each of the following decades, right? So from 2011 to 2020 we have to find out the prime numbers. So what I am going to do, I will write all years numbers first. 2011, 2012, 2013, 14, 15, then comes 16, then 17, 18, 2019 and 2020. I need to find out the prime numbers among all these numbers from 2011 to 2020. Prime numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by any other number. They are only divisible by 1 and itself. So let's separate out quickly those numbers which are even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which have even numbers are those numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 as a last digit. So if any number which has 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 as a last digit, those numbers are divisible by 2. So that means if they are divisible by 2, so they cannot be the prime numbers. So yes, I will cut these numbers because they are not prime numbers. Now I will check for the number 3. If any number among these numbers, among remaining numbers, will be divisible by 3, and I will remove that number also. So for checking for the number 3, I will take the sum. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. This number is not divisible by 3. 2 plus 0 plus 1, 3, 3 and 3, 6. Yes, 6 is divisible by, if I take the, I can show you the working. If I take the sum of these number, answer is 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. So this means 2013 will also be divisible by 3. Right? So I'm going to cut this number as well. And 2015, it has 5 as the last digit. Even without solving it, I know this number is divisible by 5, so it will not be a prime number as well. 2017, so let's take the sum of these numbers. 2 plus 0 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. This means 2017 will also not divisible by 3. Let's check for the 2019. 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 will be equal to 12. Will be equal to 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3. So this means 2019 will also be divisible by 3. So it cannot be a prime number. Now we have only two numbers left, 2011 and 2017. Rest of all numbers are divisible by 2 or 3 or 5, as I told you earlier. We have for the next stage 2011 qualifier and 2017 qualifier. Now we have to determine either these numbers are prime numbers or not. So for this we will use the trial division method, and as in question number 5 I have explained in detail, to check either a given number is prime number or not, we take the square root of that number. So if we take the square root of 2011 or 2017, if we use the calculator, we will get the answer. But right now in this question I'm not using the calculator, right? So I will use the my estimation to see the closest prime number square, so perfect square. So if I take 41 square, answer will be 1681. Okay. If I take the 43 square, answer will be 1849. And if I take the 47 square, answer will be 2209. So I'm not going to take this number. This number is closest to both of these numbers, 2011 and 2017. So yes, can I say that 2011 ki jagah I will write 1849, right? Because the same process will go for the 2017 as well, and I will write 1849 because it is a perfect square. 1849, right? This is the perfect square of 43, and square root will remove the square. Answer will be 43. So 43 is a number जहाँ तक जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स हैं, इससे छोटे छोटे जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स हैं, आई विल डिवाइड 2011 and 2017 by all those prime numbers. So first of all, I have to pen down all those numbers which are less than or which are up to the number 43. So all prime numbers up to the number 43 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41 and 43 से छोटे छोटे. So even I can take 43 just to check. So if 2011 and 2017, both of these numbers will be divisible by any one of these prime numbers, they will not be the prime numbers, because if they get divisible, how they can be the prime numbers? Obviously they will be the composite numbers. But if they are not divisible by any of these numbers, it will prove that these two numbers are the prime numbers. So when I divide both these numbers, 2011 and 2017, by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, I have already done this working. These two numbers are not divisible by any of these numbers. So it's proved that 2011 and 2017 are prime numbers. So first part is done. Now we will do the B part of this question, question number 7. And in B part, they are saying find out the prime numbers from 2021 till 2030. So we have, first of all, I will write all numbers: 2021, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 2027, 2028, 2029 and 2030. So I've written all the numbers till 2021 till 2030. And I can clearly see that this is an even number, will be divisible by 2, so it cannot be a prime number. It cannot be a prime number. This is also an even number, will be divisible by 2 and cannot be a prime number. And this 2 and this number 2. And this number which has 5 as a last digit, this number will be divisible by 5. Okay. So now remaining numbers, I will check for the remaining numbers. Let's see for the number 3. 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Sum is 5 which is not divisible by 3. तो इसका मतलब है 2021 will also not divisible by 3. तो ये तो देखते हैं किसी और नंबर से. 2021 will be divisible by 43. This number will be divisible by 43, which is a prime number. So as it is divisible by 43, so it will not be a prime number. 2023 is divisible by 7. This number is divisible by 7, so it will also not be a prime number. Now I will see for the 2027, either just to check is either this number is a prime number or not, I will use the trial division method. Again, I have to take the square root of this number, and in the last part, as I've shown you, when I take 43 square, this was 1849, which is close to with this number is also close to 2027, because when I take the 47 square, this number is 2209, which is bigger than 2027. So in this case, I'm again using the number 43 square, which is 1849. So can I say that this number is very near to 1849, which is 43 square, and my answer will be 43. So what I will do, I will divide, I will check 2027 with all the prime numbers which are up to less than number 43. So what those numbers are which are less than 43, those numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, and 41. Even I divide, I will check this number by up to this number 43, right? When I divide this 2027 with all prime numbers, even I have this number left as well. This number is 2029. Oh man, where are you going? This number 2029. Even when I check 2029 as well by all these prime numbers, these two numbers 2027 and 2029, these two numbers are not divisible by any number, not with 2, not 3, not 5, not 7, not by all these numbers. So hence it proves that 2027 and 2029, both of these numbers are prime numbers. This is it. This was the B part of question number 7, and now question number 7 is done. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Take care.